Morning, dear students and friends. Welcome back to the Prithviraj English Academy. As our social studies series going on for Karnataka State Board, in this video we are going to discuss the most important 3 to 4 mark questions for Geography of 10th Standard 2024 and 25's main examination. So without a delay, let's start the important questions for 3 to 4 marks from the Geography of SST. So first chapter, India geographical position and the physical features. What are the difference between Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats? Western Ghats are there in the Western Ghats are very high, continuous. Annamudi, the highest peak, a mountain in the Western Ghats. Eastern Ghats, they are they are not very high, not continuous, and Amarkonda is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. What are the difference between Western Coast Plain and Eastern Coast Plain? Western Coast Plain. It is between Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Here it is. India map. This side you have the Arabian Sea and here you have the Western Ghats. Between them we have from here to till here, from Gujarat to till the Tamil Nadu we have the Western Coast. Okay. Next. It is narrow, it is not flat, have no lagoon. There are 6 international ports are there in the Western Ghats here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then move to the next one. East Coast Plain. It is between Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Okay. It is wide, it is flat, have some lagoons, and there are 6 international ports like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this side it will becomes. Okay, now move to the next. India seasons. What are the factors influenced on the climate of India? Monsoon winds, latitudes, height from the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of the winds, mountain range, and ocean currents. Now move to the next. Okay, along with that, next one is 40th, means Indian agriculture gambling with the monsoon winds. How? That is here. Okay. Influence on the Indian economy. What that monsoon winds are going to influence on the Indian economy. They control the agriculture of India. Agriculture of India. They means monsoon winds are going to control the agriculture of India. Agriculture is the main occupation of Indians. Failure of monsoon winds leads to the drought, and if they are very high, heavy, then there is a flood. So it causes destruction to the life and the property. Because of this one, we are going to call it. It is a Indian agriculture is gambling with the monsoon winds. Okay. Now move to the Indian soils. Mention the reasons for the soil erosion. What are the reasons for the soil erosion? Mention the causes for the soil erosion. Deforestation, overgrazing, over overgrazing, unscientific method of cultivation, over irrigation, manufacture of bricks and others of the upper layer of soil they are going to utilize. What are the effects of the soil erosion? Leads to the accumulation of the silt, causes flood, changing direction of river's course, the storage capacity of the reservoirs gets reduced, volume of water percolating down get reduced, natural springs dry up, agricultural productivity is reduced. What are the measures taken to be control the soil erosion? List out the methods of soil conservation. Counter flowing, construction of bunds, development of the terraced agricultural fields, prevention of the deforestation, encouragement of the afforestation, control of the livestock grazing, planned use of water, construction of check dams. Now move to the next. Indian forest. List out the reasons for the destruction of the forest, expansion of the agriculture, animal grazing, construction of roads and railways routes, irrigation project, forest fires and mining. Mention the methods of conservation of the forest. Cutting down dried off and abrasing trees, protecting the forest against the diseases, planting saplings. Then next, showing seeds, guarding against illegal cutting of the trees, avoiding grazing of domestic animals, motivating people to plant saplings, creating awareness, implementing the social forestry project. Mention the importance of the forest. Fewer air, food, and fodder is provided by the forest. It brings good rainfall. It controls the soil erosion. It is the shelter house for the animals and birds. Medicinal plants are found. Attracts tourists. Provides employment opportunities. Controls ecological balance. India land use and agriculture. What are the importance of agriculture? Yeah. Mention the role of agriculture in the economic development of India. Yeah, agriculture supports tertiary sector occupation. How? Okay, agriculture supplies the food grains. From here it is answer will be start. From here the answer is start. These are the three question different types. Okay. So agriculture supplies the food grains. It is a life substance occupation. Provides more employment opportunities. It provides raw materials to the industries. Agriculture indirectly nurtures the many industries. It supports many tertiary occupations. India transportation and communication. Mention the importance of transportation. Yeah, what are the importance of transportation? Connect villages and towns. Develop villages. Develop agriculture. Promote economic development. Promote industries. Increase the trade. Supply essential commodities required. Provide the movement of goods, providing employment opportunities. It is lifeline of the nation. Indian industries. What are the factors influencing on the location of the industries? Mention the factors influencing on the location of the FIFO, sugar, cotton, textile industries. Availability of raw material, energy sources, resources, market, transport facility, availability of labor, food facility, availability of land at low cost, technology, government policies. Natural disasters. Last lesson of geography. What are the effects of the cyclones, flood, earthquake, landslides? For everyone, you can read these only as effects. Very destructive, causes large scale of death, destroy crops, damage transport links, affected electricity supply, affected daily life, leads to the infectious diseases, leading huge casualties, deaths. Okay. What are the measures to taken in the case of natural disasters to control them? Distribution of food, drinking water, distribution of medicine, temporary shelters facility, necessary basic amenities, facilities, essential services to be provided. So by this one we have completed the most important 3 to 4 mark questions related from the geography. So same, comment, like, subscribe and press the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching this video my dears. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.